heart as treasure.
So, nami gift.
Ta-da! Ikaw kasi,
Ikaw ang pinakamabait kong mama.
ikaw ang napakalaga kong kapatid. At ikaw naman ang sweet and lovely kong pamangkin. Class kasi, it's a reminder that
Now that we're 18,
time is really short and precious. So,
cherish every moment.
Nakoy joke. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow.